Primary School acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we meet today, the Wurundjeri and Bunurong people, and pay our respects to Indigenous people, past, present and emerging.
We also would like to acknowledge any Aboriginal or Torres Strait Islander people we have here with us today.
Well, good afternoon everyone and welcome to our final Cranbourne East Primary School online assembly for Term 3. Well, what an exciting day. Absolutely fantastic to see so many students and staff dressed up in their favourite team colours today as we celebrate Footy Day. It's also fantastic to see all the families at home also joining in this special events day. And I'm just so impressed to see so many Richmond supporters out there. But it's absolutely fantastic to see our students participating, having lots of fun, so much enthusiasm, and what a great way to end the term. Well, next term, we're not sure at the moment whether we will all be returning to school or whether only year levels will be returning to school or whether we will remain in remote and flexible learning. As soon as we hear the announcements and as soon as I get the official notification from the department, I will certainly pass that information on to families. And I have my fingers crossed that we all return to school. That's all our staff, all our students, all our families on the first day of next term. I'll keep you posted. Now, as you know, Term 4 each year, there's lots and lots of exciting events and activities and learning occurring in the school. We're not sure whether we will be offering swimming programs, the Year 6 graduation, excursions, camps, in-school visits, and the list goes on. But we will do our very, very best to ensure those activities go ahead. We will plan for them. Depending on restrictions, they may not go ahead. They may go ahead and look slightly different, or we may have to postpone next year. But I would like to assure everybody we are planning for all those activities to go ahead. Well, as we finish up the term today, I once again want to say congratulations, students, for your resilience, for the fantastic effort you have put into your learning. It hasn't been easy this time, but we're very, very proud of all of our students for the fantastic effort that you put into your learning. I would like to say a really big thank you and express my appreciation to the staff at all levels right through the school for their support and their hard work, and a very special shout out to all our parents. I can appreciate it's certainly not easy when you have children at home overseeing the teaching package and trying to keep up with all those things we have to do at home, especially if you're working from home. So a really big thank you to all our parents and carers in our school community. Well, I just want to wish everybody a safe holiday, a restful holiday. Do as much as you can out there, get lots of exercise, do lots of reading, have fun, keep in contact with people, and we look forward to seeing everybody back at school as soon as we can. Take care, everybody, and thank you for everything that you've done during the term. Go Tigers!